Adobe's been a beaten down stock this year in 2025. It's down almost 23% as I'm recording this video, while the S&P index is up closer to 15%. So that mismatch, that underperformance has investors concerned, and investors are asking me, what about next year? Let's look ahead to 2026. Where will Adobe stock price be by the end of 2026? So that's the question I'll answer in this video. For instance, one of the numbers I need to make this stock price prediction is the estimates for earnings per share for Adobe in 2027. Fiscal.ai has this figure here. $26.16 is what the analysts that are following Adobe stock expect the company will deliver in earnings per share next year. As it stands, Adobe is trading at a forward price to earnings of 15.04. This is the lowest valuation according to this metric that Adobe stock has traded for going back many, many years. In this chart I've displayed here, you can see going back to 2023, investors have been unable to buy Adobe stock at a valuation this low. It's been one of the reasons why I've rated Adobe stock as a buy, and it's one of the reasons why I'm going to forecast Adobe's forward price to earnings ratio will trend higher by the end of next year. I'll also discuss some of the factors that's causing Adobe stock to trade at such a low forward price to earnings ratio. So what you're looking at here is my scenario analysis for Adobe stock for 2026. As I shared with you earlier, $26.16 is what the analysts on Wall Street expect this company will deliver in EPS next in 2027. The forward PE ratio, as we retrieved from Fiscal.ai, stands at 15.04. So if the company moves forward and things remain unchanged, the market values the company at a forward PE of 15, the stock price could rise to $393 per share by the end of next year, which would be a nice increase from the current share price of $343. And nothing will need to change. Adobe will just need to make progress and hit these earnings per share estimates and keep them where they are. So if things get worse, the earnings per share estimates will be revised lower, and that would mean that the share price is likely to underperform this estimate. But if things become better and the earnings per share estimates increase, then the share price could move higher. But if nothing changes, forward PE stays the same, earnings per share stays the same, the share price could rise to $393 a share. Click the link below to watch the full video.